Hi Harrison, it was great talking with you. I wanted to send you this quick website audit as promised to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page here, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. You're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like Asphalt, Houston, Texas, or Paving, Contractors, Houston, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. Now, looking at your website, I can tell there was a lot of time and effort that's been poured into it. It's very professional and easy to navigate, and it really is a beautiful site. Really well done. I really like the design and the layout of the homepage as well. So, one suggestion I have is to be sure your website, specifically your homepage, is optimized for mobile users. That really helps with user experience, and Google sees that as a big positive. Then I see how you have your service pages split up here, which is always really good because they can rank as a back page. And so each time, anytime someone's looking for this specific service, these back pages will pop up because they're all separated out. So that's really great. As far as words go for the content here, 500 words is what you want to strive for the service pages. And then on your home page, the main thing that I would say here, I would recommend adding content that's keyword rich here. And so you're going to want to have at least that, you're going to want to hit that 1,500 word mark. And it looks like you have about 308 words right now when I used my word counter. So definitely you'll want to do like one keyword phrase for every 100 words and try to get up to 1,500 words. So anywhere from 10 to 15 keywords. But overall, your site looks really good. It's really nice. The second thing I want to go over with you today is backlinks. So I went ahead and put your site into Ahrefs, which is a tool I use to measure backlinks. The thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry specifically. So for example, a reputable civil infrastructure blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of paving techniques, that would be another good one. Something that has to do with the services you offer is going to give you a lot more influence with that type of backlink versus one from, like, let's say your local Domino's Pizza. So this shows you your website traffic and how many backlinks you currently have. So you have 315 backlinks from 16 different websites, and you have 39 for your organic traffic. So that tells me that you're missing out on a lot of new customers because you have minimal traffic coming into your website per month. Now, when I put in your competitor up here, we have A1 Construction Services, which I'm sure you've heard of. They have higher quality backlinks, and they also have about triple the organic traffic. So 96 website visits over the last 30 days. They're also getting tons of buyer intent leads because of their keywords that they're ranking for. A lot of them are location specific, which means, you know, most of the time when people are typing these in, there's a lot of buyer intent behind that. So a strategy that we use to try to get the same type of power as competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have and then continue to keep adding more and more, so you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more and more power to your site and a lot more organic traffic and new customers. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. Citations are really important because if you're looking for a service now, you're most likely going to go to Google and type it in. And then a lot of times people see these top 3 businesses in the local Google My Business map pack as the best 3 businesses to go with for this service. And it's not necessarily that they're the best. That's not necessarily the reason they're at the top. It's because they have the most citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, to name a few. So what we tell our clients is the same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in and whatever directories your competition is being listed in, you list yourself in those exact same directories, then add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. Over time, you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business local map pack. You will surpass these guys and take on all of that new business while adding a lot more power to your site, a lot more organic traffic, and getting all those new customers. So here is my company, Lobo Leads, and here's my phone number. And I'd love for you to reach out to give me some feedback on the video and let me know if you have questions. I'm happy to help. But Harrison, I would just like to thank you again one last time for watching the video and taking the time to talk with me. And I definitely hope to talk with you soon. Thanks.